Get ready to upgrade your driving experience with some of the smartest car gadgets you can find on Amazon. From high-tech safety tools to comfort and convenience upgrades, these innovations are designed to make every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into genius car gadgets that will completely transform the way you drive. Electric vehicle charging efficiency reaches a new milestone with the Electron Vortex plug, an advanced NACS to CCS1 adapter that grants access to over 25,000 Tesla supercharger stations. Engineered to handle 500 amps and 1,000 volts, this compact device can deliver a significant 240 kilometers of range in only 15 minutes, featuring a robust dual locking system to ensure a secure and uninterrupted power flow. Compatible with major brands like Ford, GM, Rivian, and Mercedes, its portable design fits easily into a glove compartment, providing a seamless and reliable charging solution for drivers expanding their travel horizons.
The DICMK car laptop mount features a sturdy aluminum frame that easily attaches to your steering wheel using patented rotating hooks with protective silicone pads to prevent scratches. Its adjustable 27 by 33 centimeter platform offers 9 height settings to comfortably accommodate laptops up to 17 inches, creating a stable and ergonomic mobile office in seconds. Designed for maximum portability, this versatile desk folds down compactly to fit into a door pocket or briefcase, making it an essential tool for staying productive while on the road.
The car scene transforms your vehicle into a private movie theater with its high-resolution 2K DLP projector and a motorized 32-inch screen that deploys automatically at the touch of a button. This innovative system features an ultra-short throw lens with 700 lumens of brightness and a built-in battery capable of supporting up to 200 open and close cycles for reliable, cable-free operation. Controlled via a dedicated app and syncing seamlessly with your car's Bluetooth audio, it utilizes heavy-duty suction cups to provide a stable, immersive cinematic experience during any road trip or outdoor stop. The retractable car charger offers a clutter-free power solution with its dual 80-centimeter integrated cables for USB-C and Lightning, complemented by additional USB-A and USB-C ports for maximum versatility. This high-performance 4-in-1 adapter delivers a combined 100-watt output to rapidly charge 4 devices simultaneously, while featuring a 180-degree swivel plug for a secure, adjustable fit in any vehicle socket. Equipped with a real-time LED voltage display to monitor your car's battery health, this compact accessory ensures your mobile workspace or entertainment setup stays fully powered and organized throughout every journey. Hoto Blowvac utilizes a high-efficiency 225-watt brushless motor to deliver an impressive 23,000 pascals of suction, ensuring a deep clean across its boost, standard, and eco-power settings. This versatile cordless tool features a specialized cyclonic filtration system for sustained performance and doubles as a powerful air duster with included nozzles for intricate tasks like keyboard maintenance. The sleek portable design eliminates stubborn debris from vehicle interiors and tight household crevices, providing a professional-grade cleaning solution in a compact form factor. After cleanup, it's time for a snack with the FVPE electric kettle, a 400 milliliter portable boiler that plugs directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter to provide hot beverages anywhere. Featuring a premium 304 stainless steel interior and a silicone-sealed lid to maintain flavor, this kettle uses an intuitive LCD touchscreen to adjust temperatures between 30 degrees C and 95 degrees C for both boiling and keep warm functions. Reaching a boil in approximately 30 minutes, it serves as a reliable and practical travel companion, ensuring long-haul drivers and adventurers can enjoy fresh tea or coffee without leaving their cars. To keep everything neatly stored and your travel stress-free, the Hoto Trunk Organizer offers a 69-liter foldable storage solution with 3 spacious compartments designed to eliminate clutter. Constructed from rugged 600D Oxford fabric with reinforced stitching, it reliably holds over 27 kilograms and features a detached 23-liter waterproof insulated cooler bag to keep your refreshments chilled on the go. The organizer includes integrated reflective strips for nighttime safety and a flexible design with Velcro panels that allow it to collapse instantly when not in use, ensuring your vehicle remains perfectly organized and ready for any adventure. The Gulu A3 Jump Starter is a powerful 5-in-1 emergency tool with a 3,000 amp peak current capable of reviving 9-liter gasoline and 6-liter to 12-liter diesel engines in extreme temperatures from -20°C to +60°C. It features an integrated 10-atmosphere compressor that inflates tires in 7 minutes, alongside a high-capacity power bank with USB-C and USB-A ports for charging your essential electronics. Complete with a multi-mode LED flashlight and SOS signaling, this compact device provides a comprehensive safety solution for vehicle maintenance and reliable roadside recovery.
Capture every detail of your journey with the 70My Dashcam, a pioneering security solution that offers complete 360-degree coverage through a specialized rotating mount and a wide 140-degree lens. Utilizing a Sony Starvis sensor, it records stunning 4K footage with exceptional clarity, even in low-light conditions, while integrated AI monitors your parked vehicle to automatically document any suspicious activity. With built-in GPS, voice command support, and 4G LTE compatibility for real-time remote alerts via the official app, this advanced system ensures your vehicle remains protected and connected from every possible angle.